All right, so now you're ready to actually enter data in a data sheet. And this data sheet, there's a place you could download a copy of it, a blank copy to use in the field. And once you have that copy, you can put it on a clipboard and head out to the field. And all you're going to do is start entering data. So obviously you put your date here, who you are. Oh, by the way, you want to make a copy of well, maybe put your name on the top and the date. Okay. You're going to put you're the observer, and you're going to put the site name when you arrive at the site. You're going to record the air temperature in Fahrenheit. All these are in Fahrenheit, which, usually in science you record in degrees Celsius, but since we're so accustomed to Fahrenheit, we do Fahrenheit here. You're going to do the water temperature, the last time it rained, if you know it, time, then the codes, the wind and the sky code, and you remember we went over that a little bit. You might have printed out this cheat sheet that was available on a couple screens ago, or actually it was on this screen. So you could download the cheat sheet if you want, if you can't remember, or you could, obviously your values are probably going to be the same for the whole evening that you're out there. There's probably not going to be a lot of change, so you could look at this, decide what your values are, and then enter them here. As you can see, for one particular date, they're going to be the same, most likely. Is the moon visible? Is there noise interference? And if there is, you want to just record it. Otherwise, just put none. Species, this is if you heard any. So here, I didn't hear any on these two locations. But here, on a different date, I heard the American toad. And then finally, the call index, and a 3 means that there are many of them. It's a chorus. So you can't really distinguish one call from another. And then finally over here you want to put any other animals that might be in the area that you're seeing, or if there's a car going by, or if there's a person walking by, you want to make notes on anything else going on in the area. Okay, so that's pretty simple, straightforward, and when you're done, of course, you want to submit it to the Nature Center.